Do you love eating same food every day? I personally found it really very boring even if it's my favorite dish. Similarly, don't use those boring words regularly. So let's replace them with some creative ones. Hello, my name is Kirti Goyal and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Talk. Let's speak better. Also, this is my first YouTube video, so do subscribe guys, and let's begin. So today we're gonna discuss about 10 such words that we can replace with the amazing ones. So let's get started. Number 1, happy. Happy is the most commonly used words. Like we say everyone should be happy. Oh, I'm very happy today. But what if we replace that word with jubilant, elated? Try doing that. Okay, moving on to second word, good. What if we replace it? Do replace it with delightful, marvelous. It's good to see you. But what if I say, oh, it's delightful to see you? Isn't that making my sentence more attractive? Our next word is next. Yes, you heard it right. Next. So, we can say that our next video is on. Stay tuned to know it. So, instead of saying next, I can say my upcoming video will be on such topic. Or instead of saying next, you can also use the word succeeding. Moving on to the fourth one, other. We can use it like the other answer for this question can be this. But replace it with the word alternative. The alternative answer for this question can be this. Moving on to the fifth word, important. Instead of just saying important, like this is the important question for your examination, you can say crucial, foremost. Okay? Moving on to the next word, big. So just saying it big, you can say gigantic, mammoth. Try using these words and make your own sentences. Do mention them in the comments. Moving on to the next word, bad. So, for example, if we say, oh, that was a bad party. So, instead of just saying it was a bad party, you can say it was the second class party. Or, instead of saying bad, you can also use the word dissatisfactory. Moving on to the next word, laughed. Instead of saying laughed, you can use the words cracked up or giggled. Moving on to the next word, extremely silly. There's always one person in our group which talks always silly. So just saying him that you talk so silly, you can also use the words hilarious or ridiculous. So our last word for the day is run. Just saying run, you can use the words bolt. Bolt specifically means when you run at the fastest pace because you're frightened. Also, you can use the word dart. And we are done for today. I hope you like this video, and if you find helpful, do like it, do share it with your friends, and do subscribe my channels for more such videos. Thank you.